This video solution is for question number 2 on the review sheet. The tricky part about question number 2 is making sure that you set the problem up in the correct order. When 2x squared minus 8x plus 3 is subtracted from negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 6, the result is. We need to make sure that the from polynomial goes first. From goes first. So that looks like this. Negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 6 minus, now we're going to subtract from that our first polynomial. So it's actually the opposite of the way it's written in the problem. This is the proper setup to get the answer right. The next step is to rewrite the first polynomial, keeping the signs of each term as is. The next step is to distribute this negative, we say, or negative 1, to the terms behind the minus, and that results in the following. Negative 2x squared plus 8x, a negative times a negative is a positive, and negative 3 for our last term. Once the negative has been distributed to all the terms behind, we are now ready to combine the like terms. To combine like terms, we want to identify the terms that have the same variable raised to the same power and add their coefficients. So we have a negative 3x squared and a negative 2x squared. Combining those coefficients is the result negative 5x squared. Doing the next set of combining, we have two like terms with an x to the first power. We have negative 10x and positive 8x. Negative 10x and positive 8x results in negative 2x. Lastly, we have our constant terms, positive 6 and negative 3, and together that makes positive 3. In the end, our final answer is negative 5x squared minus 2x plus 3 in standard polynomial form. So again, please make sure that the order of your problem is set up correctly before you continue to solve, or otherwise you'll be distributing the negative to the wrong polynomial.